Both teams still have 2 timeouts remaining. Crowd on its feet here at the Fiserv Forum.
If Phoenix, what you don't want to do is commit a foul.
Giannis has it to Middleton. Middleton puts up the jumper, puts it in! Chris Middleton, another clutch shot of these playoffs, and the lead back up by 6. Timeout, Phoenix.
Tremendous action run by the Bucks. They get it to Giannis at the elbow, a little screen away. This is well defended, though. Devin Booker right with Middleton. But this is what Chris Middleton does. He makes tough shots. Big-time play by a big-time player.
Still 56.9 seconds remaining. Suns now just 1 timeout left. Both teams in the penalty. Close to a 5 seconds. Crowder to Paul. Booker rises. Booker won't go. Antetokounmpo, another rebound, gives it to Middleton. They don't have to foul yet. And Bridges fouls him in the backcourt. There was only 3 seconds more to get it across the timeline.
And Chris Middleton's not the guy you want to foul in that situation. Clearly contact, though. Middleton does the right thing, holds on to the basketball. He's going to the line.
And they got an absolute great look for Devin Booker.
Clutch free throw from Middleton. The free throw shooting now 23 of 24 from Milwaukee, led by Antetokounmpo, who was 16 for 17 from the line. Inexplicably, Middleton knocks down a pair. 8-point game. Chris Paul for 3. Rebound, Middleton, knocked out of his hands, picked up by Antetokounmpo. Holiday ahead to Middleton. Suns have to foul. And instead, Mike Budenholzer calls timeout, and they're starting to celebrate here in Milwaukee. An 8-point lead. Inside to Connaughton. Nobody near him. Precious seconds tick off. Connaughton gets away from the double team, keeps his dribble alive. They finally foul him with 19.8 remaining. The Suns needed to foul right away if they didn't get the turnover. And a celebration underway.
You know, the late, great Kobe Bryant obviously said that Devin Booker be legendary, but he also tweeted to Giannis, MVP, greatness, next up, championship. This young man has absolutely led the way in a historic way for this Bucks franchise.
MVP chance for the former MVP, the 2-time MVP. His brilliance on full display here tonight. Connaughton misses both. 18 seconds remaining. Chris Paul drives inside. They let him lay it up and in. And that makes it a 6-point game with 10 seconds left. And there's the foul. Quickly this time on Giannis.
Drew Holiday. I mean, but you want to get the ball into your best free throw shooter. Because these are different free throws.
50 points. Only the 7th player in the history of the finals to have a 50-point game. Elgin Baylor, Rick Barry, Michael Jordan, Jerry West, LeBron James, Bob Pettit, and Giannis Antetokounmpo.
That's why you've got to concentrate on the details.
Booker turns, shoots, fires. Shot won't go. Tucker the rebound. And that'll do it. It's over. The Bucks have done it. The long wait has ended. After a half century, the Milwaukee Bucks are NBA champions once again.